Roderick in my lab, and we have an opportunity to demonstrate how to change the blade on our Rikon, I think 14-inch bandsaw. Okay, so first thing, make sure the machine is off, and then you turn here to open. See the blade broken here, and we're going to open the bottom also, and then we'll remove the broken blade here, and be careful with this blade, it does have a sharp edge. Alright, okay, let's just move that out of the way, and then we're going to replace it with our new blade. But to replace it with our new blade, we have to come through on the plate here. We have to come through here. Okay? So you remove this piece and make sure that it's clean down there. Okay? Alright? Now, usually you get the blade, it's wound, so you have to be careful when opening so that you don't get the blade to cut you. Okay? Alright, safely. And so as you're opening this piece, you're going to see how it opens. It's going to spring open, so you got to be careful. Alright, and just kind of walk it out. Alright. Okay, now the blade cuts this way, so make sure the blade, the sharp edge is facing outwards, because that's where it's going to be. Let's just put that here for a second. Now, this space, you want it to open up, so you have to unscrew here, and this is where the measuring device is connected. So don't take both pieces off. You can just hang it right here. Alright? Keep your screws together. Now some people might have more attachments, so you have to remove that. Okay? Now we're going to open here, and now we're going to put the blade around and inside. Slide it through here and put it on top. Slide it through this edge here, and then go around the wheel. That's at the bottom. So now, if you notice, it's not going on properly yet, because it was tight when it broke, and so you have to go to the back and pull the lever, which will drop this top wheel down. So now you can put the blade on, try to center it up a bit, okay, and on the bottom make sure it's centered, get it in the slot here. Alright, and it's good here, check, and then you pull the wheel up again to tighten it up, check the wheel to make sure everything is straight, okay, and then reverse, put back your screws in, alright. Put back the screws in, tighten it up. Plate in. Okay, and now while it's open, you can run a quick test to see if it's unplugged. So you got to replug it. fine. Alright, so just a start and stop to see if it's in the right place. You can run a quick test. And that's how you change the blade. You just do things in reverse. Close it back up so you can safely operate the machine. Okay? If you needed to clean the machine at that point, you could have done all of that cleaning and things like that. Okay? So this is Mr. Broderick. Just showed you how to change the blade on the bandsaw for the Rikon machine. All right?